Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Social. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide who you follow on Instagram to keep your privacy intact. Whether you want to keep your following list private from strangers or just want more control over your account, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Switch to a private account. First things first, if your account is public, anyone can see who you follow. The easiest way to hide your following list is to make your account private. Here's how. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap Account Privacy and toggle on Private Account. That's it. Now, only your approved followers can see your following list. If your account is already private, you're good to go. Step 2. Remove unwanted followers. But what if you don't want certain people to see your following list? You can remove them from your followers. Here's how. Go to your followers list, find the person you want to remove, tap the three dots next to their name, and select Remove. They won't be notified, and they won't be able to see who you follow anymore. Step 3. Restrict or block users. If you don't want to remove them but still want extra privacy, you can restrict or block them. Restricting someone limits their interaction with your account without them knowing. Blocking completely removes them from your profile. To do this, go to their profile, tap the three dots, and select either Restrict or Block. Step 4. Hide following from specific people. Want to go a step further? Use close friends for stories, or limit interactions by adjusting your privacy settings under Interactions, Connections. And that's it. Now you know how to hide who you follow on Instagram like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Instagram tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.